I made a cord set using this color scheme as my inspirations. So let's go ahead and get started. First up, I'm going to create the sweetheart bodice. So the fabric that I'm using was actually a scrap fabric. I shared the back because I don't want to put zipper on because it is super small. Then I added the facing to finish the neckline. Then I added a big bow. Now it's time to sew the bottom. I pretty much trace a pencil skirt. The bottom is going to be a circle skirt to achieve the fit and flare design. To figure it out, I measured the circumference of the skirt hemline and I divided to 3.14, and that's how I get the measurement for the circle skirt. Then I'm just going to match it at the hemlines just like this. Right sides of the fabrics are facing. And it should look like this. Now it's time to attach the waistband. So I pretty much created a separate waistband and place an elastic inside. Then I'm going to stitch it on the right side of the fabric, stitch it in the round, and this is what it should look like. I absolutely love it and it looks perfect.